Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Your account is business or creator, the app is up to date, and two-factor authentication is set. Once those are in place, open your profile, tap the top right menu, and choose Professional Dashboard or Dashboard. This immediately loads an overview of performance metrics and shortcuts. Make sure Facebook is linked to unlock advanced insights. Now that the dashboard is visible, you're ready to dive into analytics and tools, so proceed to customize what you'll track next. Next, configure the dashboard to surface the most useful metrics for your goals. Tap Insights, pick date ranges, and add widgets for reach, impressions, saves, and audience demographics. Exporting CSV is available for deeper analysis. Once done, use Compare mode to evaluate which posts drove traffic and tag high-performing content for future reference. Make sure to save filter presets so you can return to the same view quickly. As you analyze, note patterns in time of day and content type to inform your posting cadence moving forward. Finally, act on the insights. Schedule posts for peak times, boost content that performs well, and use recommended tools to test formats. Once automated alerts are enabled, you'll be notified about follower spikes or performance dips so you can react quickly. If something breaks, like missing metrics or stale data, first refresh the dashboard, reconnect your Facebook page, clear the app cache, and reinstall if needed. If problems persist, switch accounts or device to isolate the issue. These steps resolve most dashboard hiccups and get you back on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.